Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Infosys new exam date is announced, and that is on 8th and 10th of October. So, dear student, the new date for the Infosys are October 8th, pre-placement talk and test, and October 10th interviews, right? Now, friends, I will tell you the complete information about these hirings. So, Infosys 2024 and 2025 batch. So, the phase 1 hiring is on 4th and 5th of October. Correct? Okay. And Infosys 2026 batch on campus. So their hiring is on 8th of October. Definitely depends upon the colleges, right? So definitely depends upon different colleges. The hiring will be different. Okay. I mean the hiring dates will be different. So for some colleges 8th of October, some colleges 9th of October, it might vary. Now, so Infosys phase 2 hiring. So when the hiring will be there, friends, see, there is a limitations on the number of candidates for hiring. Around 20,000 hiring is there, okay, for 2024-2025 batch. So phase 2 hiring, when it will come, that we will have to wait, but definitely in October only it is possible. 2026 batch, the date is announced. Now, so in this video, we are going to talk about the syllabus, okay, the important topics. So if you're going to write the exam on 4th and 5th of October, then you need to understand the important topic for Infosys from each topics. Okay. Now, before that, friends, I wanted to tell you, see, if you want to crack exam of Infosys, the thumb rule is you should solve PYQs, previous year question, to understand the weightage of the topic, to understand the level of the questions, to understand the different varieties of puzzles. Otherwise, friends, it is not possible. Okay. And that is the reason here I have clearly mentioned the thumb rule is solve as much as PYQ possible. Now, where to get this PYQs? So friends, our Infosys crash course, right? See, if you'll go and see the content, Infosys top 50 questions, which is most repeated and which will clearly tell you the pattern. Okay. Then Infosys PYQ screenshot, 1086 screenshots are there. Latest Infosys PYQ screenshots. Okay. Then PYQ screenshots, part 0, part 1, part 2, puzzles PDF. Okay. Infosys puzzles screenshots. So lot of screenshots, 1086 questions are there. Okay. Then Infosys aptitude, numerical ability, reasoning, mathematical ability. See, basically aptitude, they will tell us technical ability. Okay. Infosys puzzles, so many videos are there, even latest videos are also there along with the files. So friends, we are already doing lot of things for you. Live classes are going on. Nobody provides you the live classes for Infosys. Till your exam is there, we will provide you the live classes as well. Okay. So many things we are already giving it to you. That is more than sufficient. Okay. Infosys previous year question, PYQ. So even latest contents also we are adding. But anyway, that is one different thing. Now, friends, so it is very, very important for you to understand that the pattern of the exam first. Friends, sectional cutoff will be there. Okay. Sectional cutoff will be there here. Like section 1, you have reasoning ability test. Okay. Reasoning ability test means logical reasoning question, 15 question for 15 marks. Then comes technical ability test. So here I see many students are confused. Total time will be 120 minutes. And friends, each section will have a separate cutoff. Sectional cutoff is there. Technical ability test means aptitude. Please do not be confused with technical ability test means DBMS, SQL, OOPS, and no. Don't get confused. Technical ability test is just aptitude, where simplification, percentage, profit and loss, this kind of topics will be there. We will discuss. Verbal ability. So friends, here basically your grammar will be tested. Okay. So grammar, vocab, sentence correction, all those things. Pseudocode, 5 pseudocode questions will be there for 10 marks. Numerical puzzles. This is a section where most of the student fails actually, because everyone takes puzzle in a very easier way. Friends, I will show you some puzzle question. You will start singing ghazal only. That questions will be of that level. English grammar test. So again, there will be 5 questions based on grammar. And then English writing test. So here you can say essay writing or a short paragraph. So that you will have to write it. Anyway, we will discuss in detail. Now friends, each and every section is equally important. If you performs well in reasoning, okay, all 15 questions you did. But in puzzle, out of 4 you did 1. You are out. Because the competition is already so much. Infosys problems are easy. So the cutoff will be high. If same thing, if we'll talk about TCS, if they give 10 questions, the cutoff will be hardly 3 to 4 marks. If you are able to solve 3 to 4 questions, enough. But Infosys, the cutoff will be 6 to 7 marks minimum. So that you need to understand it. Okay. Anyway, so this will be your pattern. And friends, you cannot revisit the question. Like question number here in reasoning, question number 5 came in front of you. Now, if you are not able to solve, or if you don't want to attempt, you will be moved to question number 6, and then you cannot come back to question number 5 again. Clear? Okay. Now, so each and every section is equally important and you have to clear. Okay. Friends, aptitude. Okay. So this I will say, sir, it is technical ability. No more confusion. So, sir, it is technical ability. Technical ability. Okay. Fine. Okay. Friends, many of you are practicing the question which does not even come in the exam. So please solve the question which has been earlier asked, and that is what Infosys is following the pattern. Now, friends, the most important topics are simplification. Sir, how do you know? कहाँ से सर आपको ये सब information मिलता है? From where? You are not even writing the exam? Yes, you are very much right. I do not write the exam, but I went through the PYQs. Okay, see here I have solved also. You could see some PYQ is there. If you open all PYQ I have solved, right, in this particular video, and that will give you an idea that how tricky the questions are getting asked in the exam. See, all these are 20-25 questions. Okay, some of the questions which we have got from the student. Okay, 20-25 questions. You won't have many, you will be having very limited. See, these are the questions. You see if you are able to solve or not, then only you will understand that how tricky the exams are. So I went through the previous year question for each and the, see, I'm smiling also. So, and then I analyzed, okay, because many of you are not even aware of the type of problems which has been asked in the exam, and that is how I have made this particular important topics for you, right? So here, simplification. In simplification, mainly board mass concept has been asked more. Yesterday I did 150 important question for Infosys. There I have solved all the topics question. Okay, so simplification, mainly board mass questions will be asked. Okay, so simplification is important. Percentage questions were also there, important. Profit and loss, but average level of the question, not I will say easy, not even moderate. Average you will find questions. Data sufficiency is one of the topic where they will bring aptitude and reasoning both. So data sufficiency is very, very important. Time and work, pipe and cisterns, data interpretation. Data interpretation is very, very important. You can expect 2 to 3 questions from here. See, board mass, you can expect 2 questions from here. Okay, and other topics. See, it's not like every topic questions will be there in your shift. See, suppose shift A has a question on average, then shift B will have a question from permutation and combination. Because if I write 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, then you will say, sir, only 10 question, but you are telling every topic the question comes. So that you need to understand it. Average 1, profit and loss 1, pipe cisterns 1, statistics, basics they will ask, like what is range, what is median. So very basic questions they will ask. Ages 1 question, permutation and combination 1 to 2 question, ratio and proportion 1 question, SICI 1 to 2 question, time and distance and mixture and delegation. If you have time, you read, otherwise you can leave, because rarely questions has been asked from time, speed and distance, and mixer and alligation. Okay, so this is with respect to aptitude. Then reasoning. Friends, reasoning, actually every topic is very, very important, but the first two topic is very, very important. Okay, so VVI, so we used to say VVI, so this is very, very important. Okay, so at least some 4 to 5 questions will be from here itself. Some 2 to 3 questions will be there. I mean, this will be rotated in between. Okay, direction 1 question, syllogism 1 to 2 question, ranking 1 question, number system, this is basically number series. Okay, number series, so number series 1 to 2 question, blood relation, again it depends. So again it depends. So in your shift there might be a question from ranking, in my shift there might be a question from blood relation. Data sufficiency, some 3 to 4 questions will be there. Then again, if data sufficiency more questions is there, then they will reduce from this side. Okay, analogy 1 question, 2 question, critical reasoning, that statement assumption. Okay, statement assumption, statement conclusion, right? So course and actions, so all those things will come under critical reasoning. Sitting arrangement also hardly 1 questions will be asked. So these are the 2 topics. Again, you can compromise with whatever basic knowledge you have. Watch the video once and leave it. Okay, see friends, Infosys exam is such that you can prepare in 3 to 4 days as well. So many of you have exam, and we are also going to add test series today. So we are also going to add test series for your aptitude, reasoning, and then verbal ability. Okay, and pseudocode also we will try to add it by today itself. Yes, pseudocode, verbal ability, it might take some time, but aptitude, reasoning, puzzles and pseudocode, so these all are we are going to add today in the mock test, and that will be added inside this Infosys crash course only. Friends, one thing I would like to tell you, many of you might think that I will prepare from YouTube. There are so many videos that is not even Infosys question, and they will just tell Infosys question, and you are totally getting diverted from it. Infosys level, right? See how I solve the question. You see, I take the previous year question and then I solve, and I will tell you how you can easily identify that it is a Infosys questions or not. See, they will put the email ID on top of that. So many times they will put the email ID. So that is the exact and accurate questions you have to put, and that is the reason. See, so Gmail please provide. So these are the type actually of Infosys questions. Now, if you are solving TCS level of question for Infosys, what is the use? You are preparing for the wrong exams. Okay, so don't waste your time. This 831 rupees, no, it's not a big amount. But once you get selected in Infosys for 3.6 lakhs LPA, you do not have to struggle anytime. Infosys is the best company to start your career if you're onboarded and if you start working. It a lot of learnings, and trust me, after 2 years you will come out as a gold only. Okay, when you are putting effort. It's not like went into Infosys and then enjoying, so not even trying to learn things, not even concentrating on the project you are in. So see, that way you can never grow. So get it today, don't regret later. I have seen many people who are definitely regretting and not. See, we have put pseudocode also, we have put Infosys this thing also. Okay, now friends, see, puzzles, so very critical section. Most of them do not qualify the cutoff. See, the reason is, friends, if you have not done all type of problem, then you are going to struggle, and that is the reason I said solve 200 puzzles. Solve 200 puzzles, trust me, nothing will come out from that. Whatever videos we are doing, whatever videos, see, every session I am doing puzzles question, so that things get repeated and you perform well in the exam. If you are the part of the Infosys crash course, you must be knowing. See, solve all types of puzzles so you do not miss anything. Now friends, this puzzle, if I ask you to solve, pause the video for a minute and then see if you are able to solve or not. If you are able to get the logic or not. If not, get the Infosys crash course right now. I'm telling you. Now, the logic for this puzzle is, see, 4, 3, 2, 2. So, via 4 into 3 is 12 plus 2 into 2 is 4. Many people will tell, sir, you are promoting your courses. Arey bhai, I am promoting, but it's always in your hand. You don't buy or you buy, it's your choice. It's always your, I will tell you the correct things. Okay, see, you need result and I will tell you how you will get. Now it's your wish, you follow it or not, right? So please don't think that, okay, sir is promoting. No, sir is telling you that you have to put effort, and in 800 rupees you won't get anything. 8 into 2, 16, 16 plus 6, 22. Array sir, super. Now 63, 6 into 3 plus again some multiplication will give you 39. Now 6 into 3 is 18, and 18 plus what? 21 will be 39. Now you see option, which option multiplication will give you 21? 7 into 3 is 21. Yes, this is what I want. 6 into 6 is 36. No. 7 into 5 is 75. 7 into 1 is 71. So here I need 73. So 7 into 3 will be 21. So what is there here? 73. So 6 into 3, 18. 7 into 3, 21. And total it will give you 39. Correct? Okay. Now, friends, then comes verbal ability. So verbal ability, right? So verbal ability, there are many topics which are very, very important. See, the first one is your parts of a speech, right? Parts of a speech means noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, preposition, all those things, right? So parts of a speech, you should have a very good hold at this, okay? Then only you will be able to solve. Now, you will have questions, fill up the blanks, okay? Fill up the blanks. Sentence correction. Sentence correction. Okay. Then vocab. Then synonyms, antonyms. Okay. Then you will be having other section like essay writing or short paragraph. So these are the things which will become as part of verbal ability. Verbal ability also videos are there inside the course. So friends, each and everything is very, very important. Okay. Don't take things lightly. Once you get one exam, then you will be very clear that, okay, now you have to get a better company, and also you will be more confident. Now suppose if you fail in Infosys exam itself, if you don't clear such a simple exam, it will give you a negative impact on yourself itself. Okay, that means you will be like in dilemma that, okay, I don't have that capacity, the capability to clear the examination, and you will feel very low. Don't get into that. Always one company selection will boost your confidence, and you will be like, okay, whatever company comes on the way, I'm going to crack it. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video.